Hey, what's up guys, it's Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of Razer's latest budget gaming headset known as OPUS X. Yes guys, in front of you is the green edition. I'm sure many of you wouldn't have seen this unboxing of green edition of this gaming headset by Razer. So let me do a quick unboxing and show you the contents and how does it look in the first impression. So now let me read through the description on the box itself. So Razer itself. So it's perfectly packaged and wrapped up in a plastic covering, 360 degrees, and they have this ribbon-like holder in the top. So I love the packaging itself. On the front itself you can see the Razer branding and the picture of this green edition headset, and you can see the label wireless low latency headset with ANC technology. So it has an active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.0 and 60 MHz low latency connection, and of course it has the microphone built in as well. Let me turn behind. So behind again you can see is a noise free Immersion, and it comes with active noise, Bluetooth 5.0, low latency connection, custom tuned 40mm drives, built-in microphone, and a quick attention mode. So all this I'll be going through in my full review of this headset. For now it's just overview of the box and unboxing of this item. So you can see they come in 3 different colors by default: green, mercury, which is white, and quartz, which is pink. So I'm not sure why they named as such. The green is the exact color for this headset. So it comes with a 2 years warranty as mentioned in this box, and yeah, you can download the app, the Razer Audio app, to enhance the sound of this headset. So let's not waste time guys, I'm going to do the unpacking, the unboxing of this Razer OPUS X Green Edition low latency gaming headset by Razer. So let me grab my scissors, here you go, and I'm going to start from the top. Okay, plastic wrappers are off the box, and yeah, you can feel this embossed engraving of this Razer wording here. So let me put my scissors aside and unbox this item from the top. That was easy. I love the smell. Okay guys, this is the inside of this box, and we have this small certification like from this Razer. You can see here, elevate your immersion with Razer OPUS X. We made this wireless headset so you can enjoy superior sound experience when you're on the move. The combination of custom tuned drivers and active noise cancellation ANC technology creates a clear, focused sound stage for ultimate immersion, whether you are watching a movie, listening to a music, or playing mobile games. So we have it signed here by Min Liang Tan, co-founder, CEO and creative director. Smells nice. Okay, that's nice of them to include this or put aside. And I believe we have the instruction manual here, Razer OPUS X. Oh, that's a cool sticker by Razer. That's nice. So let me put this aside as well. And we continue flipping up the instruction manual. And yep, thank you for choosing Razer. So they have included their support instruction in case of any issues. You can call them, do a live chat or email them. And of course they have included this what do you call that, the instructions on how to operate this headset itself. So let me put this aside, and we will focus this on a full review in my another video in the future. So now it's just the unboxing and overview of this physical headset. Okay, and now let's unwrap the real star of this unboxing, the headset itself. I'm so excited to unwrap and to see how the color looks like. And this is my first time I'm getting a gamer's headset, and I'm very thrilled about it. So let me unwrap. I must give 10 out of 10 for the wrapping itself, the packaging itself by Razer. Ooh. Okay, we have this headset itself. The color is popping up, the green color, and I believe this is their trademark color, and it's very cool. Let me put this down a bit and see what else are inside this wrapper itself. Okay, I saw this item inside. I believe that's the USB charging cable. Let me open up. Yes, it is the Type-C USB charging cable. So let me put it back. Okay guys, let me pull out the wrapper from the ear cup. I would say this looks and feels very premium on my hand, and turning the ear cup is very nice, soft and comfortable to touch. It doesn't have the hard kind of a feeling, it is very soft. I believe it will be comfortable while you're wearing on top over your head. And yep, the extender. And you can see the Razer engraving on the headset on top, and on the bottom of the headset I believe this is the right side. So this is the right side and the left side. So on the right side we have the charging port where you have to charge this headset using Type-C, and of course we have the on button. We have this volume rocker here, down and up, and I believe this is this ANC, the active noise cancellation. I might be wrong, so again I will give my full review in my next video. And on the left side there's nothing there, and it smells very good indeed. So on the first look and feel, I'm giving this headset 10 over 10, and it doesn't feel light. I have to warn you, it does feel slightly heavier compared to the regular headset. And of course it's wireless. That's the most important thing. And of course one downside to this headset, it doesn't comes with a 3.5 mm adapter as well, where you can plug in directly to your so-called mobile phones or the PC. So this is completely a Bluetooth headset. So I've shown you how does it look like. So guys, this is the first unboxing, look and feel of the physical headset from Razer, the OPUS X Green Edition. So I'm really loving this headset on its first look and feel. I will show you how does it look like in my next review while I'm wearing it. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends or family members. And do give me a support by subscribing to my channel. Signing off for now is Malik for Tech. Take care guys, bye.